Okay, let's talk about how to solve complex equations that involve fractions and also variables on both sides. Write down the following problem, follow the steps along with me. This is a flow chart to assist you in case you get lost at a step. Here's the problem. Negative 2/5 times n minus 4, close the parentheses, minus 3 equals 3 parentheses 5 minus n. Go ahead and get started with the first step. Now, if you look at the flow chart, it says, does it contain fractions? The answer is yes, it contains fractions. So we need to multiply everything by the denominator of that fraction to eliminate the fraction. We're going to multiply everything by what number? What number? 5. Now, when you multiply negative 2/5 by 5, the negative 2 stays and the denominator cancels out. That's how you get rid of the fraction. So we're going to be left with negative 2 parentheses n minus 4, close the parentheses. Nope. Try again. Where are you getting 6 from? 5 times 3. Alright, minus 15 equals another 15 because 5 times 3 is 15. And then 5 minus n, close the parentheses. Second step. It contains grouping symbols. So we need to use the distributive property to eliminate the parentheses. Do not distribute to the negative 15 because it is not a part of the parentheses. We need to get rid of the parentheses on both sides of the equal sign. Okay, distributing. That's going to give us what? Negative 2n plus 8. That is not minus 8 because a negative 2 times a negative 4 is a positive 8. Minus 15 equals. Has anybody calculated 15 times 5 yet? 75. Alright, 75 minus 15n. Make sure you distribute to the n also. So we have eliminated the fraction. We have gotten rid of the grouping symbols. Now we are on step 3, which is to take care of the like terms. So, Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king horses, all the king's men tried to put Humpty Dumpty back together again. They couldn't, so this is where we come in. Who is Humpty Dumpty in this equation? We're trying to isolate the variable n. So, we need to combine the like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. This side, the left side, represents inside the house. This side represents outside the house. So, inside the house, we need to combine positive 8 plus, stop. Positive 8 minus 15, what is it? Do you all agree he said negative 7?
Yeah.
You say 6? Negative 7. Okay, negative 7. Bring down negative 2n. Outside the house, on the right side, there's nothing to combine. So we just bring it down. We still have king horses. Inside, we still have Humpty Dumpty. Outside, we need to clean it up. That's going to move us to taking care of the variables that are on both sides of the equal sign. Remember, you want variables on one side, numbers on the other. When you move it to the other side, it becomes the opposite. What are we going to move?
Negative 15 and negative 7.
All right, okay, so move negative 15 in. That's this one. And move negative 7. Which one's going to be positive? Both? Both of them are going to be positive. All right, so I'm going to move this to under 75, and it's going to become plus 7. Agree? And then I'm going to move negative 15n to the other side with this n, little Humpty Dumpty, and it's going to become plus 15n. So I have taken care of variables on both sides and numbers on both sides. Now I need to simplify the problem. Negative 2 plus 15, do not say 17. 13. Positive 13n equals 80 who? 82. Are we complete? Are we done?
No, we have to divide by 13.
We got to get rid of the 13 because we are fixing Humpty Dumpty. It's being multiplied by 13 on the left, so we divide by 13 on the yes. Now, because 13 is a prime number, I know I cannot simplify this. I cannot reduce this to any lower term unless I wrote it as a mixed number. And we don't necessarily need to write it as a mixed number. So, n is going to be equal to 82 over 13. Circle your final answer.